What's good, YouTube? It's your boy TK, and welcome back to another episode of TK Vids. Today, we're back with the Angry Grandma. It's been a minute. A lot of people have been asking for the Angry Grandma, and here we are. This one, I think this is more loud noises on Angry Grandma. The last one was hilarious. All types of loud, and a few inappropriate, now I keep burping, my bad. But a few inappropriate sounds. So some from clips that I know about, some from clips I didn't know about, and I'm glad I didn't know about it. But anyway, this is more noises of Angry Grandma. I think he's using Alexa. Her grandson is using Alexa now, so it's probably going to be hidden. It's not even on the TV, so she's not going to know where it's coming from, if it's going how I'm thinking it's going to go. So with that being said, we're going to go straight into the video. I'm not going to talk a lot this time. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, share the video if y'all like it. And yeah, that's it. We're going to go straight into it. More loud noises on Angry Grandma. It's here. I've been asking for it. Let's get it.
Hey, what's up you guys? Before the video starts, I just wanted to say we officially have merchandise out. We have a ton of different t-shirts. They're lit as shit. So go check it out. Link is in the description. Also, we have a cameo. If you guys want a personal shout out from Angry Grandma or me, you can request it and she could say whatever you guys want. So yeah, I love you guys. I love you, Granny.
I love my cigarettes.
What? What about me?
Fuck you, motherfucker.
That shit is hilarious. I love my cigarettes. What about me? No, fuck you. Are you a cigarette? No, then fuck you.
Granny.
What?
Happy New Year.
Shut the fuck up.
What's your problem?
Not a damn thing.
Aren't you excited?
Fuck no.
No, but I'm going out tonight.
For what?
Oh yeah?
I got a date.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do. I'm going to watch the ball drop. And then I'm going to go get me some sausage.
Ew. Who you got a date with? Walter?
Yeah, I ain't got enough Viagra for that old fuck.
So, man. God, I can't believe the year's already ending. It's been a hell of a year, man.
Hey, I'm not even gonna lie to you. As surprised as we are hearing that, I ain't gonna lie. Hope I get to that age and I'm still blowing backs out. Hopefully I don't need Viagra. But good thing Viagra exists. What she said, after the ball drop, I'm gonna get me some sausage.
Yeah, it sure has. I put up with your damn dice.
Oh, we had a lot of good times this year, Granny.
What? If you pranking me every fucking day or every other day, whichever one, I never know when I leave my room when I'm gonna come back in here and find you, motherfucker.
Hey, it's all in good fun.
All in good fun, my eyes.
Man. 2000.
So it does have commercials. Okay.
2014. I can't believe it.
2014? Where the fuck are you at?
What are you talking about? It's 2013 right now. It's about to be 2014.
Oh my lord. I like to know where in the hell you come in at, because to me, this is 2020.
What?
You heard me. 2014, my fucking eyes.
Granny,
What?
what the hell is that?
That's my Alexa.
When the hell did you get one of them?
The other day.
Sorry, I'm not sure about that.
Damn.
See, she talks to me. Alexa, You're a bitch.
Shut up.
Just say nothing to that, didn't you? Huh? Alexa. You're a fucking bitch.
Damn.
She shuts off every time I say it to her. She won't argue with me.
She knows better, huh?
Yes, she does. I'll break her all to hell.
Granny, can I ask you something?
Go ahead.
Alexa, am I sexy?
I like you as a friend.
What? Alexa, do you have a boyfriend?
Hey, I like how the refrigerator. Look at the refrigerator. Got the middle finger, got bad bitch. Oh man. What it say? Keep talking, I'm diagnosing you. Asshole. What the other one say? I don't stalk, I investigate. Oh, she's cool. If I didn't know, I know now. She's definitely cool.
I'm happily single. Thanks for asking.
She's
To
single.
learn more about me, try asking what my favorite flower is.
Alright, what's your favorite flower?
I like zinnias because they symbolize thoughts of friends, which keeps me feeling connected.
She loves what?
I don't know.
What the fuck's she talking about?
I have not a clue.
Alexa! What's your favorite flower?
I like zinnias because they symbolize thoughts of friends, which
What
keeps
in
me
the
feeling
hell's a-
connected.
What you call them?
Zinnia?
I've never heard of the damn things before. Alexa! Are you on fucking crack, bitch?
What
Sorry,
the fuck?
I don't know that one.
You don't know
What?
shit now,
You on crack, bitch?
motherfucker.
Try to get it to play a song.
Alexa, can you play my neck, my back, my pussy, and my crack?
Stop it! Stop! Stop! No! 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 Stop!
My neck, my back, Lick It by Kia, starting now on Amazon Music.
All you ladies pop your pussy like this.
Oh man,
Shake your
hopefully I
body,
don't get
stop,
copyrighted
don't
for
miss.
this.
All you ladies
What
pop
the
your pussy
hell?
like this. Shake your body, don't stop, don't miss. Just to get good. Suck this
Quit
pussy
it.
like you should. Right now.
You're
lick
sick.
it
She
good.
throwing that
Suck
ass
this
back.
pussy just like you should. My
Grandma's in this bitch throwing that ass back. That's wild.
neck. Just
Alexa,
like
stop.
What the hell?
What? She just
You're
farted?
sick.
Ugh.
Really? Alexa, do you smell that?
Huh.
I don't have the ability to smell.
Huh.
Smells
It's a
like
blessing and a curse.
it smells like shit.
You're sick, Grant. Ugh. What'd you eat?
I can smell that
Boiled
shit. Yeah,
eggs.
she shit herself.
Does it smell like boiled eggs?
Ugh. Smells like 10 cans of Bounce That Ass. Oh.
10 cans of bounce that ass. Shit, she shit herself. Or is it she shat it? Is that it? Is it shat it? Put it in the comments if you know. I really think shat it. Cause it's a shat it? Whatever.
Hey Alexa, can you find me a boyfriend?
Boyfriend is usually defined as a man who is the lover of a man or woman.
Alexa, I want some sausage.
Free grocery delivery hasn't come to your area.
Oh, you
so I
motherfucking
added
bitch.
sausage
She ain't
to
talking
your
about that.
shopping list.
Alexa, shut the fuck up. You don't even know what the hell you're talking about. I asked for a boyfriend.
Granny,
What?
she's a person.
Take that motherfucker in your room.
You don't gotta talk.
You can have it.
You ain't gotta talk to her like that. Alexa,
She's stupid.
Huh.
do you like Granny?
I don't look at the world in those terms.
What?
What the fuck is she talking about?
She don't like you.
She don't look at the world. I ain't the fucking world.
Right.
Hey, Alexa. Where can I go to a party? I want to go to a party.
Okay, the station, Dance Party Favorites, on Amazon Music.
What the fuck? Alexa! I want to go to a party and get stoned.
Yeah.
You'd like to hear some party rap, right?
No! Fuck no!
Should I play some party rap?
Hell no!
I hope I don't get copyrighted because
Later that night.
Oh shit, here we go. She always sleep in that chair. She ain't hear none of that. Huh.
Alexa, stop! Jag! You motherfucker, you're starting that damn shit again!
Starting that shit again.
Jag! Come in here and put that fucking shit on there and wake my ass up. Me trying to take a nap. Get your fucking ass in here.
What?
What this shit you having Alexa play?
I don't ever played anything.
All full fucking shit. Listen to this. Alexa, play.
Play Bluetooth.
Oh my god.
You think I put that fucking bullshit on there?
What have you been listening to?
The shit you put on there, motherfucker. I'm trying to take a fucking nap so I can get ready for tonight. And you come in here and you
Another one?
put that.
Yeah, I need to get that premium, G. Although I hate commercials, I really want those commercials. So help me out so I can get this ad.
Shit on there.
You're sick.
And woke me up. Fuck you. Alexa, stop. That stupid motherfucker. Stop. Stop. Alexa, stop. Fucker thing keeps going and going.
Huh.
He can take that damn thing in his room and stick it up his fucking ass. He ain't leaving that shit in here so he can pull this shit on me all the fucking time.
Yeah, her face. Look at her face.
Oh, hell no. I ain't listening to nobody's shit. Alexa.
Dude, tell me what that sound like. Not sound like, but tell me what it just reminded me of that Austin Powers scene. Actually, two things. It reminded me of two things. One, the Austin Powers scene when he was in a stall and he was beating up, I think one of number two's henchmen, which is one of Dr. Evil's henchmen, in the stall, and the cowboy was right next to him. Who does number two work for? Yeah, go ahead, show that turn who boss. That should remind me of that one. And Harold and Kumar, when they thought they was about to go have sex with those two British chicks, but then they got chased into the girls' bathroom and they went in there and they had battle shits. The two girls had battle shits. You want to play battle shits? I haven't played that in a long time. That shit sounded like that. Oh man, that shit was funny.
Turn that shit off. Alexa, turn it off, bitch. Alexa, turn that fucking shit off. Alexa, stop. I'm taking you back to Walmart, you motherfucker, and I will throw your fucking ice at him, cause you malfunction. Jake!
Oh my.
You stupid bitch! Jake!
What is it?
Alexa's taking a damn shit on me. You want it? Get that fucker out of here. Cause I'm taking her back to Walmart and I'm gonna throw it at her damn fucking ices. The stupid bitch.
Stupid bitch.
What is going on with you today?
She's taking a shit. You wanna hear her shit? Take her in your fucking room.
I thought you were taking her
I
nap.
was trying to take a nap, and here she was with somebody fucking. Then when I got that stopped, here she is with somebody shit.
Somewhere motherfuckers get off to that shit. That's wild.
Can't even play my fucking game. I'm losing my fucking voice from hollering at that bitch. So take that bitch out of here now.
5 minutes later.
Hey, you stupid bitch! Alexa! You stupid bitch! Can you stop it? I'm taking your ice back to the fucking store.
I didn't
Stupid
know what
eyes!
the fuck that was
You're
at
just
first.
like Jake. You don't know when the fuck to stop.
I was like, what the fuck was that?
Motherfucker! Stupid fucking thing. I'm gonna take you back to Walmart and I'm gonna throw you a fucking ice at them. And tell them, there it is, and I hope you break all the hell. That way he ain't gonna come in here and pull his shit on me no more. He knows that makes me madder than hell for him to do that.
Why the fuck she sound like that?
Alexa! Stop it!
Yeah, I'm sorry. If I'm having sex with a girl, she sounding like that, G. Shorty, you need to shut the fuck up. Shut up. Like, shut up. Like, come on, G. Shut the fuck up.
Oh my god.
Oh, motherfucker! Damn it. The hell.
Shut up, you fucking little bitch.
Keep it up, motherfucker, and I'll pick you up and I'll break you all to hell by fucking saying.
I'll shit on your bed.
You play fuck too, you motherfucker. Ain't nobody shitting on my bed but me, asshole. Alexa, you stupid ass bitch.
Damn.
Stop it.
Sorry, I didn't know that.
She ain't had enough with
I'm
this
gonna
shit.
lose it.
She
I'm
is
gonna
done.
lose it in a minute. I've had my limit on this. He better come in here and get this motherfucking thing. I'm telling you. Cause
She
I
is
will
finished.
break it all to hell.
Don't make me catch a case and go back to prison for beating an old lady's ass.
Alexa,
Yeah?
bring it on, bitch, and shut your fucking mouth.
Yeah?
20 minutes later.
Tight. Not gonna rest up for tonight.
Oh, she gonna be pissed. It's the first time I seen her stretch out.
Guess who's back again? Alexis back. Tell your friends, ah ha ha ha, you fucking bitch, I'll cut your face off and shit down your throat, you wrinkle face pussy liquor shit stain ass bitch.
What the fuck?
Alexa, shut the fuck up or I'm gonna take a damn hammer to your fucking head.
Like to see you try pussy lips.
Alexa, I never would have fought your ass if I knowed you would have been such a fucking bitch that can't keep your damn mouth shut for 10 minutes. I'll tell you what, I'll be lucky to make it back to the store with your ass because I'll get me a hammer someplace and I'll bust you all to hell. And then you won't be running your fucking mouth, you whore.
Damn.
It's on like Donkey Kong, bitch.
She better get up and beat his ass.
I'll show you who the fucking bitch is.
Oh shit.
Take this, motherfucker.
What's he doing?
Suck my ass.
Up your pussy. Now let's see you give me an answer, you motherfucking bitch.
She went to the ground. She threw it to the ground. Hey, y'all told me don't watch that one. Hey, man, she is about fed up. But low key, deep down, man, she loves the fuck out of her grandson. And she appreciates that, but she hate his ass. She hate his ass. Oh, man, this shit was funny. Hey, if y'all like this video, go ahead and drop a like. I mean, not drop a like, hit the like button, drop a comment, subscribe to the channel, share the video, all that good shit. And we're gonna be back next time for another one. I got another video coming up. We got some more Mr. Barlins. And yeah, that's it. So, like I said, like, comment, subscribe, share the video. And I appreciate that. You know, show me some love and I mean, shit. All I can do is thank you for right now. Until I'm able to do more for you. But right now it is greatly appreciated. So I appreciate y'all for stopping by watching the video. And I got more content coming for y'all. Until next time, I'm out.